Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say I hate you. But in French, we'll be looking at how to say more useful French vocabulary, brand names that everybody butchers around the world, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say I hate you in French? How do you pronounce this phrase? Je, which is French for I, te, which is you. I'm not going to explain the whole French grammar here, but the te here stands for you. And then déteste is hate. Je te déteste. Je te déteste is I hate you in French. Je te déteste. And I don't hate you, viewer here. I certainly don't. Thanks for watching very much. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French vocabulary and names. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.